Today, we're going to show you how to install a Moen Verso Infinite shower head, which we've got right here. And why I like this one, it's got this nice little device that clicks on there. So first thing we need to do, make sure the water is off, and then we're just going to remove our existing shower head. I already pre-loosened this up, but sometimes you just need to take a wrench to that, and you're going to turn counterclockwise, and that's allow you to get this off. So we've got our old shower head off. And now all we've got to do is install our new shower head. And we're going to do that by just doing the same thing we just did. And we're just going to rotate it on here, make sure that we've got a good grip. And we're going to go clockwise this time until this is all the way on here. And make sure that we've got it on. A lot of times you want to take a pair of pliers or a pair of channel locks just to snug that up, or you can use a wrench depending on if you've got good enough access there. And we're just going to just snug this. There's a couple flat spots on there. Snug it up just a little bit more. You don't want to scratch it or anything, so try and find those flat spots on there and get it nice and snug. And once you've got that on there, what we're going to do is take this collar that allows our adjustment, and we're going to tighten that down as well. And that gives us some rotation. There's a knob there, so you want to make sure that you get this aligned how you would like it aligned, and then you can tighten this knob up right here, and that's going to allow you to have your adjustment in positioning of this. So now that we've got that tight on there, we're ready to install the shower head. There's some plastic on there, so we'll take that off, and that's going to go like that. And I'll just put that there for now while I'm doing the other part to this. But what we've got is this shower hose. Important part not to forget is that you've got washers that go in the shower hose. So you're going to need one for each end. We put a washer in there, and now we're ready to connect this. So I'm just going to screw that in. And these can, in general, just be hand tight. If you need to use a pair of pliers, you can, but just be gentle. And then we've got our other end here. We've got this end. This also requires a rubber washer that comes with it, and you just throw that in there. We've got our rubber washer in. And now we're going to take our hose and we're going to screw it in place. Now, once you've got that screwed in, just make sure that you unkink this hose or untwist it so that you don't have all that tension on there. And voila, we are good to go. So let's make sure we've got any final adjustments we want here. There's some plastic on the top that I need to remove. So let's remove that. It's just some shipping plastic to keep it nice. And then let's try turning this on, see how it works. All right, we've got our shower head right there. I don't see any leaks right here. And then we've got, we can do both at the same time, like so. And we can also adjust the pressure on both of these and how these come out. Or we can have just the nozzle or just the sprayer. So pretty cool shower, really like this. And then you can detach this and use it as needed. And then it's got a nice magnetic base right there. So let's turn this off so we don't have any of that noise. But that is how you install a Moen Verso shower. Really like this one. They do come with a lifetime warranty. And one of the key things when you're looking at a shower head, and why I chose this one, is that this bracket back here is metal, this fitting that goes on the stub that comes out of the wall. A lot of newer showers will actually have a plastic piece there instead of a metal piece, and I feel like that is a mistake, and that's how you end up with leaks or this head breaking off and falling. There is a lot of stress and tension on this when you're using it in the shower, so you just want to make sure that you have something that's going to be durable. So I feel good about that lifetime warranty, and then I like how this functions. So pretty cool shower, and hope you enjoyed how to install a Moen Verso shower head, and we'll see you next time.